What's up, party people? It's Dax Sunken here with another video today. And today I'm going to give you a video summary of A Sound of Thunder by Ray Bradbury. Tune in, because it's going to be wicked. It's a pretty neat place we got here. What does that say? Time Safari. I'll be darned. Greetings. Hey there, how's it going? Hey, does this place guarantee I come out alive or what? We guarantee nothing, except for dinosaurs. This here's Mr. Travis.
You ready to go?
As you can see over here, this is our time machine. I'd say it's in pretty good condition. That is unbelievable. Thank God our president won, because if that other guy would have won, that'd be a real dictatorship. I know. Guess the only thing you got to worry about now is shooting my dinosaur. Precisely. Are you ready to begin? Oh yeah, let's get this started. Beep boop 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 beep boop 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 beep boop 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 boop. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Beep boop 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 boop. Oh shoot! Oh my God! Holy smokes!
Oh, God damn it!
Welcome to the Ice Age. I got you a gun. Take it. You're gonna need it. Thanks. Can you just kill a dinosaur cold? Well, yeah, there's snow everywhere. But you gotta remember, you gotta stay on the path. Because even one slight little inconvenience, well, it's gonna change the entire future. Yeah, I get it. Path, future, bad, all right? I get it.
All right, good. Well, let's go. Let's get that dinosaur.
Eccles, get over here. I got a spot.
Now, Eccles, there's a dinosaur right over there. Gotta be sure to shoot it right between the eyes. You got me?
Travis, what are you talking about? What? Oh, that dinosaur. Okay.
Ah!
Holy smokes, Travis. That thing is massive. That's scary as hell. I'm kind of scared. Eccles, it's coming right for us. You gotta shoot it. You gotta shoot it. Oh, I'm done. I'm out of here. See you guys.
God dang it. All right, fuck.
Die! Oh. Yes! Good shot, Travis. We got it. Eccles, we got it. We're good. Where the hell are you, Eccles? What are you doing? What's going on? All right, better get back to the time machine.
Dude, Travis, is it gone? Is it dead?
Eccles, you moron. Yeah, the dinosaur's dead. You step off the path, Eccles? What are you doing? We gotta get out of here. We gotta go, dude. We gotta go. Yeah, man, let's go. Let's get out of here. I gotta go through all that. Dang, I gotta go through the time travel thing again. God dang it. All right. See you on the other side, Travis. Oh. Thank God that's over. Am I right, Travis? Eccles, do you have any idea what you've done? I should kill you right now. Just for what you did today. Yeah, dude. Whatever. Get me out of here. Wait. Somebody want to read to me what that says?
Hello, welcome to the Time Safari. Our president is President Douche.
What? President Douche? I don't even... Oh, no. I stepped on some kind of bug that somehow turns into the glorious legend and handsome guy Dax Sunken. Oh, shoot. Dude, Travis, I'm sorry. I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry. You should have stayed on the path. Boom! Well, that concludes this awesome video that I myself made. And here are the actors. Dax Sunken, Eccles. Dax Sunken as Mr. Travis. Booyah. But anyway, I just want to say that was a good story by Ray Bradbury, and see you guys.